We are going to take a look at a 2015 Biesse Spark 3.3 Edgebander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This clean Biesse Spark 3.3 has an easy-to-learn control panel. The Teflon-coated glue tank with a 2-liter capacity is virtually new and as clean as you can get on a pre-owned machine. This machine consists of a pneumatic guillotine knife, adjustable edge pressure unit, front and rear end trimming units, top and bottom edge trimming units, and finally, top and bottom buffing units in the rear. It can handle edge banding with a thickness of 0.4 to 3 millimeters. The minimum panel thickness is 10 millimeters, while the maximum panel thickness is 40 millimeters.